Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the new Binance app, full guide. Open the app and sign in or create an account, then enable 2FA and complete identity verification. Next, set a secure password and backup recovery keys or seed phrase. I'll walk you through deposits, basic trades, and safety tips so you can feel confident using the app for buying, selling, and managing crypto. To deposit, open Wallet, then choose Deposit and pick the right network for your token to avoid losses. You can fund via bank transfer, card, or crypto from another wallet, and fees vary by method. Always copy the address exactly and double-check the memo or tag if required. Watch for confirmations and verify the transaction ID so your funds appear safely in your Binance wallet. Start trading by using Buy Crypto for simple purchases or Markets for limit and market orders for more control. Learn to place limit, market, and stop orders, and use stop loss to protect against large moves. Review fees before you submit trades and monitor your open orders in the Orders tab. Keep an eye on your portfolio performance and consider small test trades until you're comfortable with the app workflow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.